Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Today's video is going to be about the infamous 32K tools and weapons. Now before we start, I would just like to preface this video saying that I do not condone any of this, and also I do consider this cheating. I would just like to explain how these are obtained without commands. These tools and weapons are best known for being on 2B2T, and the reason being they were backdoored, which basically means they had access to a NBT file. Now, quickly let me explain this. The max level of an enchantment is the highest number that can be represented in a 16-bit integer, which is 2 to the 15th minus 1, or negative 2 to the 15th, aka 32,767 or negative 32,768. That is not a typo. This is confusing, but the number we are interested in is 32,767. Now that's a mouthful, which is why they adopted the name 32K swords or pickaxes or whatever, because 32,000. We'll come back to that. So how is this done? Items have data values kept in them once they have a named binary tag, also known as NBT data. This data indicates that a player introduced a change. For example, enchantments or renamed items have NBT tags with, anything here. So if I go ahead and look at this sword, if we look at the very bottom there, it says NBT 3 tags. And with these ones, it also has 3 tags, and also this has tags, but this does not because it's not renamed or anything. But if we were to take this stack of items and rename it to Anvi, we get 2 tags. Now NBT can be edited with a program called NBT Explorer. There's a link in the video description if you guys are interested in doing this yourself. Essentially, if you have a backdoor access or world file access, you can edit NBT with this program. Now, this basically means you can access players' inventories if you have backdoor access, or you can access the entire world's inventories if you have world file access. So the NBT editing does not apply normal Minecraft restrictions, so say sharpness 5 or unbreaking 3 or silk touch 1. And so due to this, we can create 32K tools and weapons in Minecraft without the use of commands. So why am I making a video about this? Well, the reason is I haven't seen anyone show this in Minecraft, and I really would like to share this with the community. So let's quickly look at the 2 tools I've made. So we have Unbreaking, level 32767, Efficiency 32767, and Fortune and Mending, all at 32767. So if we get Obsidian, and if I were to place down a big wall of Obsidian here, normally with a normal diamond pickaxe, it would take you a while to take this down, but not too long. But with this guy, oh man, look at that, Instamine Obsidian. So this does have an effect in game. So that is something to keep in mind. Now, tools like this, like I said at the very beginning of this video, I do not support the use of these on any server whatsoever, but I would like to explain why this works and how it works. So I think it's time that we leave Minecraft and go into the NBT Explorer. Alrighty guys, so I'm here in the NBT Explorer and we have all of my different saves here. So if we go ahead and open up the 32K test world, we can see that we have a level dat file here. If we open that, we have 44 entries, lots of different things going on. So if we expand this, we have all these different files, and then we have the player. If we open this, we then have the inventory, which is right here. And then we have 2 items which have 4 entries. So if we open this one, we can see it's a diamond sword and it has 3 tags right here. So if we open the 3 tags, we have 5 enchantment entries, and then we have damage and repair cost. So we can even reset the repair cost to 0, or if you don't want people to add more enchantments or repair them, you can set this to 10,000 or something like that. So for instance, if we set it to this, we will not be able to repair it. And like I said, see, this doesn't accept any number above that. But there you go. So next we have damage. We can, change that if we want. But what we're interested in is the enchantments here. So if we expand this, we have a bunch of different entries. So 2 entries for each enchantment. So each enchantment has the ID and then the level. So if I wanted to change the level, I would just open this and I would make it 32767, and I will copy this for ease of use later. And there we go. We can unexpand this and we can go to the next one here. Unbreaking, we can do the same thing. Bam. And as you can see, it applies that. Now, if you remember, mending had no effect. Sweeping, I don't think has an effect. And looting will crash the game. So maybe we just want to have this at level, let's say, 10, okay? So now we have all these different editing things that we can change. And as you can see, we have some really high level enchantments here. We didn't change mending, we didn't change sweeping edge, but we added looting 10. So we can do the same for the next item, which is the diamond pickaxe. And we can say, oh, we have 4 entries here. Let's just say, okay, let's just change all of them, right? Oh, fortune, that's going to break the game. Let's change it to 10. Okay, and we're going to move the repair cost down to 0 just to show the difference. Okay, and now we just got to hit save, and then we can open up our Minecraft world again. Alrighty guys, so here we have the 2 super overpowered tools here. So as you can see, the NBT did work. We have the 2 really insane tools, and it's super insane. So let's try it on some lapis ore. So I'm gonna grab a stack of that. Let's try some diamond ore. Let's try some of that, and let's try maybe a creeper. Okay guys, so with the fortune 10, oh, and look how insta-mine, we can insta-mine diamonds. Look at that. Oh, 2 stacks out of 81. Okay, and then if we try it with here, oh man, look at that. Rolling in the lapis and diamonds already. Oh yeah, and not a single durability used because a super high unbreaking enchantment. Next we can try a creeper. Oh, 1 hit, look at that. And how many gunpowder did we get? We got 4 that time. 5 that time, yeah. The looting enchantment doesn't seem to have a huge effect at this level, but at higher levels it would definitely. And there it is. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to demonstrate is the repair cost. So let me go into creative. Actually, we don't even need to. So if we go ahead, we don't even have, anyways, let's just put this in here. And if we put a diamond in here, as you can see with this one, we put the repair cost at 32,767, too expensive. And with this one, we have just possibilities, right? So really interesting if you want to make an item really scarce for maybe a mini game or something like that. This is how you do it with NBT. I will be making more videos about NBT if you guys are interested. Subscribe for more videos like this, and of course, if you guys are interested in other glitched out items or hard to get items or interesting items, I'll be showcasing them all the time. Alright guys, see you later. Goodbye.